Okay guys, so now we're going to install the Ring attachment on your mechanical doorbell, so that way when you ring the doorbell outside, your original mechanical doorbell will also chime. So that comes in your Doorbell Pro kit. Step one, take your cover, and she just pops off like that. Push that aside. And from our previous video when we installed the doorbell, we already have the power off. So there's no power running to the doorbell at the moment. So now we're just going to unscrew these wires here. And pull these wires out. Okay, so from here, these wires, you want to just straighten them out a little bit. You can use your fingers or use a pair of pliers, whatever you want. And then there's an empty hole in each one of these gray guys. And the color coding doesn't make a difference. So they take this orange tab and you're gonna pry it up. And it feels like it's gonna break, but it goes all the way up. So then you insert the wire, just like that, and snap it down. Make sure it's tight. We got the wires connected in the two little gray pieces here. And I'll take these, and you're gonna need to bend the wire to go around the screw. And again, from here, just screw it in. You can use a good screwdriver or the one that came in your Ring Doorbell kit. I just happen to have this one handy, so that's what we're going with. Make sure it's tight, and then take the second wire, bend it, fish it around the screw, hold it in place, and screw that in. All right. Now all this, you tuck these guys in. This, you can either double side tape it outside if you want, mount it wherever you want, or do what I did, or what I prefer, and just tuck it inside. Take your cover and pop it back on. That's it.